Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve this exponent question 2 power 3 power 4 power 0 plus 2 power 3 power 0 power 4 plus 2 power 0 power 3 power 4. So according to the exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power 0 is equals to 1. So let's start by using this rule. So we can write it as 2 power 3 and 4 power 0 is 1 plus 2 power 3, 0 power 4 is 0 plus 2 power 0 power 3 times 4 is, this by this rule, 12. Now 2 power 3 power 1 is 2 power 3 plus 2 power, any number as power 0 it is considered as 1 and 0 power 12 is 0 and 2 power 0 is, this is 2 power 0. Now 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 0 is 1. So 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 is our final answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.